In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter flights by price in Skyscanner. First, open your browser and go to skyscanner.com. If you land on a regional version of the site, that's okay. The interface is the same. On the homepage, look for the flight section and click it. This puts you in the flight search tool, where we'll set up the filters that matter for price. Decide whether you're booking a one-way trip or a return trip. One way is perfect if you only need a single ticket, while return will show both your outbound and inbound options together. Next, enter your departure city or airport in the from box and your destination in the to box. As you type, Skyscanner suggests airports. Choose the one that fits your plan. Now open the depart date field. Instead of locking yourself into a specific day, click flexible dates. This is the key to finding lower fares because it lets you view prices across a broader range. For this walkthrough, start with January as the month. Selecting a month tells Skyscanner to scan every day in that period and surface the cheapest options. Click Apply to confirm your choice. If you're booking a return trip, repeat the same process for the returning date. Open the date field, choose flexible dates, keep January for consistency, and apply. When both dates are set, click Search to run the query. You'll see results presented with prices mapped to the dates. This view makes it easy to compare cost differences day by day. Lower fares often appear on midweek dates, while weekends and popular travel days can be higher. Hovering or tapping on specific dates will show the price for that day, and selecting it updates the itinerary. Because you chose flexible dates, you can quickly slide between nearby days and spot clear savings without starting over. A couple of quick tips to interpret what you see. Prices are typically the lowest available for that date at the time of search and can change quickly. So if you find a fare that fits your budget, be ready to proceed. Check the fare type in the result details since ultra low prices may exclude baggage or seat selection, which can affect your true total cost. Also, keep an eye on travel time and connections. Sometimes a slightly higher fare with better timings is the smarter choice. That's it. By using Skyscanner's flights tool with flexible dates, you can filter by price visually and choose the dates that deliver the best value for your trip.